Trying to hit me in the stomach. So I just came from like maybe like one stop on the express train, and the police there were doing something in the station. But now I'm one stop down. The express train goes maybe like one, two, three local stops down. So these guys passed me on this stop, and it looks like they're going uptown, up to that express stop, the express stop for some reason. But that's a joke because they have enough people on that side, by the way. So they're down here pulling some stunt again. Two of them just passed me, and one of them hit their freaking siren to like agitate my stomach because I come to this area to buy food all the time. Whoa! So it's hard to believe that there's not enough police over at that express stop to deal with the situations that's there. So one of the things that I'm gonna stop recording the police from now on. I'm just gonna go about my business because what happens is if you record them, you get entangled with them. They'll try to get you no matter what. But it's a waste of time to continue to record them and, you know, not focus on my life. Because this is what they're trying to do. They're trying to shift my focus away. They're trying to distract me to, you know, assault me with sirens, to trap me with these patterns that they run. And you know, it's very annoying, and I've complained to everyone about it, but no one wants to do anything about it or even acknowledge that the problem exists. It was a setup from the beginning. That's why I took a different route. I went the opposite way, but when I came around, they were there already. They were ready to roll.